Huh? Well, no, there was like an exercise class before it.
Oh.
All right, so how you feeling about this phone repair? That's how good we're feeling about it. So we're going to get a quad. Gonna see if we can get this situated because I definitely need to get a phone or figure it out. She didn't. She was talking about ordering it.
But from where, Nick?
Any of the quad places. This quad's down there. This quad's down here. You said you wanted to take a look, so.
I wanted to take a look at the place that she was talking about so we can pick out the quad. Hola, mi amor, ¿cómo estás, guapa?
So, yeah, it's a little frustrating. The computer's lagging. Lex broke the phone twice. And now we're trying to make it work, see what's good. So, good luck to us.